Shoot. Why don't you hear me? I'm 5 answers, folks. And now we'll go be the boundary side.
Wait, you weren't recording before you just started recording?
Yeah, this is part 2.
Oh. When did you stop recording the first time?
Just a few seconds ago. 20 seconds ago. Maybe just erase the comment go. Hey, burn the graphics. I love this place. Yeah. No track. Like a hawk. See that?
See something.
Okay, but what's it?
I don't know. I mean, I'm not like a... I'm not Tonto.
You're a hawk tiger. See? Hawk. Hawk going. Scott socks. Good mountain. Go to pure. Go to pure. Okay, a little walkie overhead. See? Hear that? It's in there.
What do you see?
I heard something in there. There's a bounce in it. We're going to eat it. We're going to go this way, so we're that way. The trail up beside me. Is this cool?
He's just getting a picture of the boundary sign.
Oh, alright. Wonder if I can help you.
No, thank you. He likes the preserves. He likes to make like nature movies and stuff, so he's just exploring and filming it.
Well, you know what this place used to look like?
What?
It used to have all old growth cypress out here. I mean, old growth pine.
Pines?
And they came in at the wrong time of year and burned it off and killed 99% of it.
Oh no.
And,
Like these?
All they do is make excuses now.
Yeah.
They don't know how to manage this stuff. We found them where they run over turtles out here trying to make
That's terrible.
But I live next to it, so.
Right. Well, it's, you know, pretty at least. Have fun voting for Ron Paul, you bitter old man.
So what happened here?
You know, he doesn't like whoever, like the whatever government thing takes care of it, and he's bad mouthing them, saying they're screwing everything up. Maybe he's right, but I can tell from the very beginning that he was a bitter old man that wanted to be mean. Some old people grow up and just get mad at so many things.
Ow.
So the first time when he stopped, he was annoyed. Because I don't think we're on the proper trail or whatever. So I think he was annoyed that we were so close to his property. I immediately was annoyed because I was like, I'm not on your property. I'm next to your property. and you can stick it up your rectum.
Yeah, this is cool here.
I'm a bitter young man. So that's how that was rolling out.
What's that? It's in there.
Something.
Think you should go in there and check it out?
No, I don't like getting off the trail.
No. I like to absolutely have to.
Well, I can't imagine ever having to get off the trail. The only thing that's really dangerous are the snakes. And the snakes are only dangerous if we're off the trail. Snakes aren't going to be out in the middle of the trail coiled up.
What?
I hope the stroke or the heart attack is right around the corner. I wish that on you.
Why?
Oh, my buddy. I don't like people that like nose in, like, for one thing. And then I could sense other things beyond him being nosy.
I think these are dogs.
Huh?
These have to be dogs. Right in there. I want to find the preserve then.
Well, remember, I think you told me, like, beyond where the trails are, the preserve extends that way. And on the other side here, there's more trees. According to that guy that we just talked to, I guess.
So that is a preserve behind this tree there.
I guess over here used to look more like over here, because I remember we were driving by that and it looks more like a forest. And over here, there's pine trees, but it's very sparse.
You look at a prairie almost.
But I asked him about it and he didn't have an answer, which is, holy crap. Which is why I kind of think he was full of crap. There might have been like a grain of truth in what he was